Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I make Mapo Tofu. It is a very common dish loved all over in China and other parts of Asia. The main ingredients include tofu, of course, beef or pork with some fat, chili pepper, ginger, Sichuan peppercorn, salt, sugar, cornstarch, chili bean sauce, green onions, fermented black beans. If you don't have some of the ingredients listed here, it's not a big deal. But with all these ingredients, it tastes more authentic. First step, prepare ingredients. Normally, I'd chop up some fresh ginger and red chili pepper. Today I will use pre-grounded ginger I prepared from a large batch. Also the Thai pepper is so tiny that I don't have to cut up. Cut the tofu into small cubes like this. Then boil 4 cups of water. Add salt. Salt helps removing soy taste and keeping tofu in shape. Add tofu in for a minute or two to bring water to boil again before taking them out and setting aside. Chop up meat like this. Here I use pork belly meat because it has good amount of fat in it. You could use ground pork or beef if you prefer. Prepare peppercorn ground mix. Heat oil halfway hot on low heat. Stir fry Sichuan peppercorns and set aside, then ground into rough, tiny pieces. Slice green onion into tiny pieces, like this. Now, on mid-low heat, heat oil and add in ground meat and keep stirring. Add chili bean sauce, in Chinese called Doubanjiang. Add chopped ginger and chili pepper. Now add fermented beans, 豆豉 in Chinese. Add peppercorn ground mix. Add some water, then bring to boil on high heat. Now, add in tofu. Heat 5 minutes on low heat. Add salt, sugar, and optionally MSG. Add starch water in 3 batches, with each following batch being a little thicker. Dish out. Top up with a touch of ground peppercorn mix. And green onion. That's it. Now you can enjoy Mapo Tofu.